Hey guys, so we're here today at the skate park today with
JD
and his mom.
Oh, Jesse.
So we're here today at the skate park with JD and his mom,
Jesse.
who's actually not here today. And you've been skateboarding for how long?
7 years.
7 years. Well, that's a very short amount of time. And how old are you?
13.
That's amazing. And you can do how many tricks?
Probably around like 25.
700 tricks. That's incredible. That's 100 tricks for every year that you've been alive. No, skating.
Yup.
So you started skating, and I taught you a frontside 180, and then what did you do to learn tricks from there?
Well, you guys built me a vert ramp, so that kind of helped a little bit.
That's amazing. When you were 6, you mentioned learning from my YouTube videos and Tony Hawk. How is it going now?
It's going good. I met both Tony Hawk and you guys, and it's been amazing.
Shout out Tony Hawk. You're the greatest. So now, what are we going to do?
I'm going to be front 180ing everything in this park, or try to at least.
What do you mean try to? Front 180, everything.
Let's go.
And a 540.
What?
And maybe a few kickflip indies.
Maybe.
Shout out Tony Hawk.
It literally is crazy. 8 years of just skating and you're literally like, it's crazy. How does it happen? What do you do? What's the formula?
For all the parents out there, why do they grow up so fast? Okay, start us out.
It's true.
All right.
Give it a 180 on flat.
All right, let's go.
Oh!
Wow. Yes! Woo! Yes!
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
All right, so Aaron, I think you got to call the obstacles here.
Don't worry, I've got every obstacle down to a precise science. Frontside 180 off of that bench.
Off of it?
Yeah. There you go. From a 6-year-old doing a 180 on flat to he just competed in the World Championships at Dubai. How sick is that? This.
Dude, that's a big step. I don't know about that, man.
The boy can handle it. Okay.
Oh!
You ready to step it up?
Yeah. Okay, this is a debate that I want to have with the viewers.
This is a debate with the viewers.
If I ollie like this, do you guys call that a frontside 180?
We will count that,
Or
yes.
if you go like this, is that a front 180? Technically,
The first one is
the
front
first
180.
one is a front 180, but some people think differently. I don't know. Leave it in the comments below.
You write your
Just
own
made
story,
yourself
JD.
do both.
No!
Oh, got him! Yep, that was an ollie.
You really did.
This hip.
Wait, hold on. That's not front 180.
Yeah, give it a full wing danger. Yes, sir.
Ooh, the good hip.
All right, where next?
Over this.
Oh, that's perilous.
Perilous?
Yeah.
It means like when there's no pears available at the grocery store.
Yep.
Pearless.
Shout out to all the pairs.
Yep. Shout them out.
Dang!
Dang, this girl on fire.
All right,
That was
where next?
very tweaked, dude. Good job. Yeah.
In this.
Okay, I'll figure out some ways to do it. Okay, I'll do 3 different 180s. but all front- No way I just fell on that.
He actually just
Body.
Yep. Dang.
180 nose blunt.
I don't think we can be seen with this kid anymore.
It's really embarrassing. I bet
Come
he
on,
can't even heel
JD's.
flip.
Lock in, bro.
First strike.
This is insane.
Jeez.
Come on, run that back. Nigel Ryan Jones is unacceptable at that.
So we're recreating his very first live skate sport where he did a frontside 180.
Okay, what front 180 should he do now?
How your legs feeling?
Pretty not good because I slammed on flat.
Oh, well, I mean, would you count transfer over the tombstone as a front 180?
Already did that.
Already did that.
Did you do it over this?
Question, Nigel
Yep.
Ryan Jones. Is that a front 180 or is it an ollie?
I mean, technically an ollie, but also technically not. It's not really a 180.
I take it as a 180, and then
Yeah.
when I saw him do it, I said, "You just ollied."
Yeah, I know.
I think the hip was the next onto the.
Onto the bank?
And then out.
Alright, get my back.
I got the back.
Hi, Nigel.
I'm scared. Hi.
That was so bad.
air
What?
out like that,
No.
so good. Okay? That was beautiful. I need
Never
you to
done
stop
that.
that.
Never will.
Front 180 air out of this?
Over the thing to flat.
Aaron, does part of you feel like a proud dad right
now
now?
I feel like, what happened to me? Why can't I do more tricks like this?
Dang!
JD?
Chill out. I schooled him. Oh, well, we had to do the manual pad. He did tell me I did my first 180 to switch manual. Run
What?
it. Sideways.
When did you do that?
In Dubai?
Can you teach me?
Nope.
Hey, there's a tree there.
Now,
cool trick.
less manual, more landing.
Teaching methods are unparalleled.
I know. And I stand. My job here is done.
Let's go.
Now, into the snake run.
Yeah, Aaron.
Wow.
Over this?
Over this? Aaron Kyro.
This is Aaron Kyro.
What's your name?
Dean.
Hey, Dean.
Hi.
Hi.
Watch out. Oh my.
You all right?
Yep.
Never will I ever try that. And if I would have bodied like that, I'd have been done for a year.
All right, where next?
You didn't do it right here yet.
Oh my goodness.
You almost missed that one. So here, 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 here.
Hey.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Picker, you ready? Oh, that was the hard way to go to flat. Okay, now you gotta do it up there. 50-50, 180. Yep. Yep. Oh, first try. Down to 5.
Down to 5, right? I got you.
You got that?
Yeah.
First chisel?
Wow.
I got your back.
Oh my.
Question for you, young lad. Have you ever frontside 180'd the 7 stair before, ever?
No,
How long you been trying?
I haven't tried it once.
Well, I'm here to help you as your skate support coach. Let's
Okay.
see what you got.
All right, let's
You want
get
to do
it.
an ollie first, or you want to go straight to the 180?
Yeah, I'll only see the impact for now.
That's
'cause-
good. That's a good practice step. I recommend you do an ollie first.
Not at a street spot. You get to a street spot, you just send it, baby. There's no ollie and you're already gonna jump down it.
If you go into a street spot, do an ollie first.
You get in there. Get in there.
Nigel, I haven't seen you at a street spot in like 6 years.
I've been at street spots, just not with y'all. All right, JD, I'm skating with you now. You're in
All right,
my
let's
area.
go.
Nigel Hood. That's too easy.
That was way too easy.
Being able to drop in easy like that.
I feel like Uzi should get there back with the front Smith.
Oh, the butt. go ahead. I can't even. First try.
Okay,
Yeah.
can I tell you something that
Yeah.
the people need to hear about you?
Yeah.
You're delightful.
Thanks.
Psych!
Oh. All right, you ready?
Yep, let's go. Our frontside ollie?
Be safe, Justin Daniels. Why is this thing so big and so intimidating?
You know, Aaron's never dropped in on this.
Actually? No, you
No, I have, yeah.
I feel like now we should do a video where you teach Aaron how to drop in on this.
No, I definitely have.
Oh, yeah.
He is lying to your face right now.
All right. Aaron said I got a front 180 to bump first.
Yep.
Well, Justin Daniels, I think you frontside 180'd everything in the park.
Yep.
Oh! Yes, sir.
Dang!
Unacceptable at that.
Dang!
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Yep.
Oh, first try.
Oh.
You want to do one more trick for the people?
All right, I'll do one more.
Just for the love.
One more.
But for the love.
All right, let's go.
Bro, why did you just roll into that?
You're out of your mind. No.
I was gonna say, what, 3 tries there?
I am so sketchy today for some reason.
I'm
like
really
the little
disappointed.
chain you got.
Power.
Let's go.
Well, it's been a short 7 years, and you're absolutely crushing and killing it. Keep killing it.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
You're welcome. What do you have to say to all the people out there?
Keep on shredding, never give up, especially when something gets hard. Because when you land it, it's gonna feel amazing. Keep on going.
You guys got this. We make these videos to inspire you, yes you, to learn how to ride a skateboard. Get out there, you can do it, and let's create an entire world of amazing skateboarding talent. I'll see you in the next video.